Hey guys, Carlos again with the HID Factory, and today we have the C6 Corvette. As most Corvette owners know, the lenses, the factory GM lenses, they're subject to a lot of hazing and crystallization. So what that is, if you can see it on the camera, it's a lot of mini fractures, they look like spider cracks. GM has still not recalled this, but it is something we can repair and replace. So what we do, we get our own manufactured lenses. These are shot with a UV coating. It's usually UV that does this. We have UV coating. We give 2 years warranty on this. Again, this is what the customer came in with, the really foggy, nasty one. We went ahead and upgraded it into this one. So also while we were in there, we upgraded his HID and we upgraded his sign marker turn signal. So as you as the vet owners know, this one is usually an amber color. So you got this big ugly yellow and then you got some nice clear white coloring. So we went ahead and did our switchbacks. So when he's ready, let me go ahead and turn on the vehicle. So when you go ahead and turn left or right, the bolt goes from a white to an amber. When you're done with your turn, it goes back to a complete white. So nothing we did on this vehicle. We upgraded his HID too. He had a little, it was a little bit yellower. He wanted something a little bit closer to white. We did a 55K. I went ahead and switched out that valve bolt. And on the bottom we also added LED pre-leaks. If you want to follow him on the side. On his side marker, he actually wanted us to black it out. We went ahead and blacked it out and did an LED color on there. The rear one he still wanted red. All we did was add LED. And all his lights are LED in the back, LED license plate. And we're going to show you those reverse lights too. So a special thing about our reverse lights, they're actually projected. So that's going to shoot light outward instead of just reflecting it from the reflectors. It actually makes a beam of light that shoots backwards so you can see where you're going. And let me get that turned on. And one of my more favorite things on this vehicle, C6, is the interior lighting. So we upgraded him. He had the amber, the really yellow ones. You get no lighting back here when you're doing your groceries, when you need to load something up. These are actually a Cree white, and these are 6000K, lights up the whole trunk. And we also did his interior as far as the map lights and the footwell lights. So again, at night when you're trying to get a piece of paper out, when you're trying to look at something, you don't have to get your phone flashlight out. These are bright enough to light up the whole interior. But yeah guys, any projects, any questions you have, feel free to contact us. We're online at thehidfactory.com. Visit our Facebook page or look up our videos on YouTube. Again, any video we do here, it's on our Facebook, it's on our YouTube. We post on Instagram. So yeah guys, just give a call when you're ready. Thank you again. Alright, I'm going to pull this guy.